Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create security roles in Power BI, whether you're managing access for sensitive data or ensuring the right users see the right reports. I'll guide you through the steps to set up and customize these roles. Plus, we'll cover how you can use this security feature to protect your data and enhance collaboration in Power BI. Let's dive right in. Right, as you can see here on the dashboard, there are dummy data for us to test and for me to show you how it works. And also, luckily for Power BI, there's a part where we can view as the role that we have created. So prior to this video, I've actually created a few security roles for us to see how it works. So to do so, I've clicked view as, and let's say I click this security role where it's only select the school type as private school and gender as female. So if I click OK, as you can see here, it only takes female numbers and only take private school numbers. So we can say these the security role works. So how do you create it? Let's do this. So first, you will need to go to modeling. Second, you will need to go to the security, and under the security, there's manage role. Click on that. As you can see here, I've actually created it. So I'm not going to do a private school and a gender, female or male right now. So what I'm going to do is duplicate it, but this time I'm going to change it to public school, male and female category. To do so, I can just duplicate it, or if you want, maybe, for the sake of this video, I'll do create a new row. So I'm going to name this as public school school name is as male. Okay. There's only one table in the dashboard, so I'm going to take this table. If you have, other tables, you can choose the other tables as well. So once that filter data, what column do I take this from? So I know that the public school, the private school, field type will be coming from the school type column. So I'll select that. Then I'll put public. And for the gender, so I'll need to look for the gender column and select male. Then click save. Okay, now for the easy part, how do we create a female one? What you can do is just click here, the three dots here, click on duplicate. Of course, you have to rename it so that you don't confuse yourself. So let me just rename this real quick. Name it as female. Okay. So we can change it here. Okay, so at this part, we can change the value here as male, or if you want, you can switch to text editor and change it over here as female. Okay, let me just click save real quick. Now, the role has been created. Now it's time for us to test it out. So I'm going to select public school male and see if it reflects correctly. So as you can see, only text male and public school. Now, if you want to share the report, okay, section 2, take 1. No, section 2, take 2. Now, let's proceed further. So we have created the security role and we know it works. But how does the end user, see the report as? To do this, we need to publish it. So if I actually publish it prior to this, but I'm going to do it again for the sake of this video. So guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share if you find this content useful. Okay, publishing it. Should be really fast because it's a dummy data set. Right, let's go to my Power BI. Okay, so you can see because I'm using the account, the main account, I will be able to see everything in there. So if I click on it, as I'm the owner of this dashboard, I am able to see everything. Okay, now if I, let's say, want to share to another account and only select a particular security level role that he or she can only view it, how do I do it? So let me just go back to my workspace real quick. First, of course, we'll need to share the dashboard to that person. So let me just share to that person real quick. In this case, it's gonna be my another account. So, okay, let me just click it, grant access. Now this person has access now, which is me, of course. And just go back real quick. The next thing we need to do is go to the semantic report and click on security. So as you can see here, I've already actually tested it prior to this video that this person can only access private school female. Let's say you want that person, my other account, to view public school female only. What you can do is select that particular category. So I'm going to select this category, type in the email. This is the person, click add, and click save. So now this person should only see female public school numbers. Now we're going to go to that account and see if this really does reflect on it. And just refresh it real quick so it does reflect into this particular workspace. So let me just click on this, share with me, okay. Click on this, the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. And it does. Female and public school students. So whatever I choose, I can't see the whole number. I can't see the number of male in the school. I can't see the number of private students, male. I can only see female and public students. So yeah, hopefully this is an informative and insightful video. And remember, if you like the video, do remember to like, subscribe, or comment if you have any topics that you wish for me to delve in further or to help assist you. Yeah, just type in a comment and let me know. Until then, see you guys in the next video. Thank you.